And something that I'll add on and we can go into in a bit more detail later on, but it's like we as human beings develop the tool that pairs with our next conscious evolution. So what I mean by that is, if I'm living in a cave and I only ever go to warm places that already have shelter, at some point my consciousness goes, but I want to sleep in the field. It's romantic, it's light, it's safer, whatever it is. So when I'm consciously ready to have that idea, I think then we build the tool. So we build the axe. And it goes, all right, cool, now I have the tool to chop the wood, to make the cabin, to now live the life I thought. And so then I think we evolved, and many, many innovations later, we came to something like, I don't know, our willingness to look beyond the village. So what I'm thinking is that emotionally, physiologically, consciously, we were ready to move beyond the TV and really feel what it's like to be a part of millions of people, maybe even billions. So we were ready for that, and then we developed the tool, the internet, which allows us to talk to millions of people. So my theory in talking about this virtual machine versus the analog is that we are now ready. It feels to me like we're ready to acknowledge the sentience in plants and animals. So just to summarize the thought and then head over to you, I feel like we as humanity are at a conscious tipping point where we are ready to understand the multitude of information and signals that are around us that our five senses can't handle. So we've built trainer wheels in the form of virtual reality, augmented reality, AI, etc., so that this next evolution of humanity, which is inclusive of so many more signals and truer to the actual pattern of the universe, can start to play out through us.